Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alecia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be making this super delicious apple fritter. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let us cook. So guys, here I have my apples. I'm using two Fuji apples. Now I'm peeling the skin from there, and you guys can go ahead and use whatever apples you like. Well, except for Granny Smith. You know, those are pretty sour. I mean, if you guys like sour apples, like sour stuff, I mean, you guys can go ahead and do it. You know, but it's just not my preference. Now I'm gonna cut the apples in half and I'm gonna be taking out the cores. Now I'm gonna be cutting my apples in dices, small dices to be exact. Now guys, after you've cut your apples, you want to go ahead and add lemon juice just to ensure that the color doesn't change while you're making the batter. So guys, for my apple fritter, here I am whisking out my egg and I'm using one large egg there. I will be sure to list all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description below. So now I'm adding my vanilla extract and I'm continue whisking out that egg, guys. So guys, here I'm adding my powdered sugar and I made a mistake. I was supposed to sift my powdered sugar, but I did not. Guys, do not make this mistake, okay? But if you do make that mistake, it's fine, okay? Your fritter is gonna be amazing regardless, okay? So I'm just whisking that again, you know, just whisking out the lump from the powdered sugar. Now I'm gonna be adding my milk, and this is 2% milk, guys. Whisking that again. Now you guys can use whatever percentage of milk you like. It's fine. Even if you want to add almond milk, rice milk, oat milk, guys, it's perfectly fine. Now moving over to the dry ingredient, I have my flour. Now I'm adding salt. Next I'm adding my cinnamon powder. And last but not least, baking powder. And I'm just gonna combine all of that together. Now I'm gonna combine my liquid to my dry ingredients. Now I'm adding my lemon apples into that batter. You guys can go ahead and do it before, which would be a bit easier, you know? So you're gonna combine all that together. Now guys, you want to scoop out a large spoonful of the batter and you're going to gently slide them into the hot oil. Guys, ensure that the oil isn't too hot as the batter tends to burn real easily, yeah? So ensure that the temperature is on low heat. Now you're going to cook them until they are golden brown. And this right here, guys, is the perfect color that we're looking for. Yeah, just beautiful. And these guys were absolutely amazing, better 100 times better than those store-bought one. I promise you guys, just follow the recipe and you will not regret it. Okay, these were amazing. Now guys, you want to remove your fritters from the oil and allow them to cool. Now guys, here we have our fritter and we're gonna drizzle the glaze over it. I made these while they were frying and these were amazing, guys. Oh my goodness, they were everything. I hope you guys try this recipe. Turn on your post notification. I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, and I love you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.